Guess what just arrived from Amazon? I just went to the front door and this was sitting there. This is the Pyramid 50 amp power supply. I have a Diversity and it's been acting up. I also have a 52 amp Pyramid I use for my antenna tuner. And it had actually went on the fritz. I blew it up twice. So I had to get it fixed twice, replace the bridges in it. So now, time for a new one. So this is a 1-year warranty. Well, how about that? Anyway, it's a Pyramid 50 amp power supply, and I think I'm going to go into the radio room and hook this thing up. It's nice, not so big either. Sounds like something rattling around inside. Only that. Listen to that. The hell is that? Huh. Better work. Anyway, there it is right there. So we're going to put it to the test and see how good this thing is. Nice power supply. I think it was around 160 bucks or something like that. 150, 160 bucks. Amazon. They had a few of them left, so I got it. So there you go. Leave your comments below. We're going to go out there and test her out. Cheers.